The tech world has been holding its breath for this moment, and the wait is finally over as we peel back the plastic on what might be the most anticipated compact powerhouse in history. For years, the iPad mini occupied a niche for those who wanted portability without sacrifice. But the iPad mini 8 represents a fundamental shift in how Apple views its smallest tablet, transforming it from a secondary device into a primary workstation that fits in the palm of your hand. As we lift the lid of this pristine white box, the first thing that strikes you is the refined industrial design that feels less like a gadget and more like a precision-engineered tool, a testament to Apple's obsession with tactile perfection. The weight distribution has been meticulously calibrated to feel substantial yet ethereal, ensuring that whether you are a digital nomad, a high-stakes gamer, or a creative professional, this device disappears into your workflow while providing the horsepower of a desktop. The initial unboxing experience is designed to trigger a sensory response, from the satisfying friction of the paper tabs to the distinct aroma of factory-fresh components, signaling that you are holding the pinnacle of 2026 mobile engineering. Underneath the parchment-like screen protector lies a display that looks less like a glass panel and more like a window into another dimension, boasting a peak brightness and color accuracy that renders every pixel with breathtaking clarity. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. While previous generations were often criticized for incremental updates, the iPad mini 8 shatters that trend by introducing the A19 Pro silicon, a chip so advanced it makes the Pro moniker feel like an understatement, enabling real-time ray tracing and complex 3D rendering that was previously reserved for machines 5 times its size. As we hold the device for the first time, the new titanium-infused chassis feels cool to the touch, offering a level of durability that finally matches the rugged lifestyle of the modern user. The edge-to-edge liquid Retina XDR display has been pushed even further to the limits, with bezels so thin they seem to vanish when the screen ignites with a vibrant burst of high dynamic range colors. This is not just a spec bump. It is a complete reimagining of what a small form factor device can achieve, bridging the gap between the iPhone and the MacBook Pro in a way that feels organic and essential. Looking at the camera module, we see a massive leap in optics, with a sensor array that suggests Apple is finally taking tablet photography and augmented reality seriously, moving away from utility and towards cinematic expression. The box contents remain minimalist, reflecting a philosophy of focused efficiency, containing the braided USB-C cable that has become the gold standard for high-speed data transfer and charging across the entire ecosystem. But the real magic happens when the device boots up for the first time and the Hello screen flickers to life, inviting us into an era of iPad OS that has been specifically optimized for this 8.3-inch canvas. Every swipe and gesture is met with instantaneous feedback, a symphony of software and hardware working in perfect unison to eliminate any friction between your thought and the digital execution. We are looking at a device that doesn't just ask for your attention. It demands it through a level of performance that makes every other tablet on the market feel like a relic of the past. The iPad mini 8 is a masterpiece of thermal management, hiding a sophisticated cooling system beneath its sleek exterior that allows the chip to run at peak performance for extended periods without throttling, which is crucial for the 35-minute deep dives and heavy multitasking we are about to explore. For the American market, where efficiency and prestige are paramount, this device hits a sweet spot, offering the ultimate status symbol that is actually backed by raw, unadulterated power. It serves as a reminder that size is no longer a limitation for high-end computing, and that the future of technology is increasingly personal, portable, and incredibly potent.